Hey, hi, how are you? I hope you are safe and healthy. Today I am going to share with you a few important points that what is the success and how we can achieve. Whatever I learned, I share with you. So I think that this is very important video for you. So watch till the end. Why it happens that most of the people who even don't have the resources with them, they even don't have the big connections with them, then also they achieve high success, high level of success in their life, while on the other hand few peoples who have the connections with them, they all have the resources with them, even they do not achieve that level of success in their life. So what is the reason behind that? So the great thinkers from all over the world, they study the pattern that what is the reason behind the success, why only the people who has some qualities they achieve success in their life, and what are those qualities. So from studies they find that your attitude and your thinking leads to the huge success. One of the great thinkers, Jeff Keller, who also written the book Your Attitude is Everything, they mentioned 3 points in their book. First, the success begins from your head. So think right. Whatever you think leads to be successful, leads to be true. If you practice again and again in the same direction. So think right, always think right. The second thing that he mentioned is your words define your personality and character. So always choose your words wisely. Whatever you speak, that converts into the reality. Most of the time we speak negative words to us, like I am not that much kind of grateful in me, so it leads to degrade you. So if you want to use your words wisely, use some powerful affirmations like I can do, I can learn, then you will definitely achieve the success. The thinking is more important and what you speak is also very important. The third and last point he mentioned is act purposefully, because without action nothing can be achieved. If you act, have a purpose behind that. Whatever you are doing, why you are doing, ask yourself, and that leads to the success. So I think these 3 points you always have to remember with you. First, think right, speak carefully, and act purposefully. Thank you for watching this video.